In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Asana to fix common loading or display issues. Sometimes Asana can act a little sluggish or show outdated information, especially if it's been open for a while. A quick refresh or restart often clears that up. Let's walk through a simple, reliable way to get everything back on track. Start by opening Asana in your browser or the desktop app, whichever you normally use. If you're in a browser, make sure you're on the correct tab where Asana is already signed in. If you use the desktop app, just launch it as you normally would. The goal is simply to get Asana up and visible so we can refresh it. If you're in a browser, refresh the page. You can click the refresh icon in your browser's toolbar or use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl plus R. On a Mac, press Command plus R. This tells Asana to request fresh data from the server and redraw the page, which can clear up minor glitches like missing tasks, stuck spinners, or buttons that don't respond. If you're using the desktop app, go a step further and quit the app completely. Closing the window isn't always enough. On Windows, choose Exit or Quit from the app's menu, or right-click the Asana icon on the taskbar and close it there. On a Mac, click Asana in the top menu and choose Quit or press Command plus Q. Fully quitting releases the app's memory and restarts its background processes, which helps resolve issues that a simple window close won't fix. Now, open Asana again. Use the same method as before, browser or desktop app, and let it start clean. If you work across multiple workspaces or organizations, confirm you're in the one you expect, so the data you see matches what you're looking for. Give Asana a moment to load your workspace and tasks. You may see a brief loading indicator. Avoid clicking around too quickly while it initializes. Letting it finish ensures your task lists, project boards, and inbox updates appear accurately. Finally, check whether the original issue is resolved after the reload. Go back to the project, task, or view that was misbehaving and try the same action again. Scrolling a list, opening a task, or switching views. If everything looks normal, you're good to go. If the problem persists, this confirms that a basic refresh wasn't enough, and you can move on to deeper troubleshooting in a separate guide. That's it, quick, clean, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get Asana running smoothly again.